It's KShadow22 here, bringing you guys a brand new video on optimizing your Windows 10 PC. Today we'll be going over utilizing driver update tools. Actually in this video, you guys, I actually just have a single tool that I'm going to demonstrate to you guys because honestly it's just the best. And this is not a sponsorship whatsoever. This is just me using my normal tools for you guys, alright? So this tool is actually called IObit Driver Booster. This basically finds all of the outdated drivers on your computer and will actually update them. And it's just one of the best, you guys. I've used a lot of tools out there, and this one finds, it basically puts your computer at gaming standards, which is pretty far up there, you guys. So it looks like my last scan was more than 180 days ago. So let's go ahead and see what sort of updates it's able to find. It also finds game components, which helps, of course it helps other things like videos and other online tools function a little bit better. So I always update everything. So in 180 days, it found 17 outdated device drivers and 1 outdated game component. Now by default, it's only going to select the drivers for your devices and not necessarily game components. As you can see, most of these are extremely old, and it even shows the date that they came out. So this one is, almost half a year old. I've been waiting for this update, and I can just hit this update now, and it's going to go through, download each one of these updates, and update them extremely fast. And it'll even make up backups of your old drivers, so that way if you needed to roll back and whatnot, you can do that as well. Once you hit the update button, it'll allow you to restart afterwards and automatically, and you can even set this up as a service, so it's constantly checking for updates, and it'll bring you to your attention once there's an update available. If you're having issues with like a certain device, keyboard, touchscreen, something like that, not working on this on your computer, you can run these updates. I had done some service for a church, and they couldn't get their audio to play out through like an aux cord into their stereo system, and there's some sort of compatibility issue with that device, that audio device. And using this tool, it was actually able to pull that latest driver, and that driver wasn't even on the manufacturer's website. This was able to find one out of their own database, update it, and fix that issue. So this can fix issues. Now, on the contrary, though, it can have some misfires. I can't think of the exact word, but false positives. Sometimes it does apply the wrong drivers. And in that case, it's very rare. I've had it happen maybe 3 times, and I run this program on every client's computer to update all of their drivers. So if you run this, theoretically, you don't need to go through Device Manager and manually update all of them. You go into the manufacturer's website. So this could save you a lot of legwork, and it can fix a lot of issues, and it can be preventative. It can prevent a lot of issues. It can fix a lot of vulnerabilities. So definitely Driver Booster all the way, and if you research it, it is one of the best programs out there. They have a very large database full of drivers. So yeah, definitely it is a paid program. I don't know what's all included in their free trial, but either way, definitely if you have, even for personal use or for business use, it's a great program. That concludes for the series, you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys enjoyed it and you learned something new at least, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the like button and leave me any feedback down in the comments. I hope to see you